So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make your Mac run Windows. Simple, and this is the only thing you have to do. Download Parallels in your Mac. So first install Parallels desktop for Mac, and then just go to your downloads, open the DMG, basically open it, enable, and then you just have to download it. Wait for it to fully download right here. Install the Parallels with your desktop. It's going to automatically do that. It's going to boot it up, and then install your Windows. So once you have installed Windows, basically, it's gonna install Windows 11 by default. It's gonna take 5 gigs of your storage. So make sure you have that. And it's gonna boot up into your Windows as normal. From there, you can even get your Windows 10 from Microsoft or even use another disk image or probably transfer Windows from PC. You can even use Boot Camp from Windows right here. So that's how you actually use a actual virtual machine to run your Windows and your macOS. So I do have it right here. So I have Windows 11 right here. I can run it anytime. It's gonna run side by side with my macOS at Sequoia 15. So it's pretty simple to get your Windows here in Mac. So download Parallels. It's a paid application, but you can get for a 14-day free trial.